If CapCut is showing system error 5_208, don't worry, you're not alone. And the good news is that this is usually a connection handshake issue that can often be fixed in just a few minutes. In most cases, the problem is caused by a VPN, a proxy setting, cache data, or a network conflict on your computer. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to fix CapCut System Error 5_208 on Windows safely and step by step. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick tech fixes, and let's get straight into it. First, we're going to start with the most common cause, and that is any active VPN or proxy connection. If you have a VPN app running in the background, close it completely. Don't just minimize it or disconnect it temporarily, actually make sure it is fully closed. After that, open Windows settings by pressing Windows and I on your keyboard at the same time. Once settings opens, click on Network and Internet from the left side, or from the main menu, depending on your Windows version. Then scroll down and select Proxy. Here, look for the option that says Use a Proxy Server, and switch it to Off. If there is any proxy enabled, CapCut may have trouble establishing the connection it needs, which can trigger this 5_208 error. After disabling the proxy, give your computer a moment to apply the change. Next, we're going to flush the DNS cache, which helps clear any old or corrupted network information stored on your system. This is a simple but very effective step when you're dealing with connection-related errors. Press Windows and R to open the run box. Type CMD, then press Enter to open Command Prompt. In the Command Prompt window, type ipconfig flush DNS and then press Enter again. You should see a message confirming that the DNS resolver cache was successfully flushed. This step helps your computer refresh its network lookup data, which can often resolve handshake failures like CapCut System Error 5_208. Now let's move on to clearing CapCut's cache. Open CapCut normally. Once it launches, click the Settings gear icon inside the app. From there, go into Settings. Look for the Cache section, and next to Cache you should see a trash icon or a clear icon. Click it to wipe the cached files. Cached data can sometimes become corrupted or outdated, and when that happens, CapCut may fail to connect properly or load certain services. After clearing the cache, close CapCut completely and restart it. This gives the app a fresh start with clean temporary files. If the error is still there after that, the next step is to force CapCut to run with administrator privileges. Find the CapCut desktop icon on your computer, right-click it, and then choose Run this program as an administrator. This gives the app elevated permissions and can help if the error is being caused by a permissions or access problem on Windows. Sometimes, apps need those extra permissions to connect properly, or read the resources they need. If CapCut opens successfully with administrator rights, that's a strong sign the issue was permission-related. But if you still see the same error after trying all of that, then the final step is to do a clean reinstall of CapCut. Before you uninstall anything, make sure you export your active projects first, so you do not lose your work. This is extremely important. Save your project files, back up anything important, and then uninstall CapCut completely from your computer. After that, reinstall the latest version from the official source. A clean reinstall can remove damaged files, broken settings, or hidden conflicts that keep the error coming back. Once the new installation is complete, open CapCut again and test whether the problem is gone. In many cases, one of these steps will fix CapCut System Error 5_208, especially if it was being caused by a VPN, proxy, or corrupted cache. So to quickly recap, disable any VPN or proxy, flush your DNS cache, clear CapCut's cache, run the app as administrator, and if needed, perform a clean reinstall after exporting your projects. If this video saved you time, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more CapCut fixes, editing tips, and easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.